800 voltage red capsitor. To 5 OK resistor, connect in to capacitor to leg. Bridge rectifier. You can find this into mobile charger old bulb. To 5V 1000 microfarad capsitor. Bridge rectifier, there is negative and positive sign. And 2 is for AC connection. Connect capacitor negative to negative and PSD, positive to positive. From their output negative and positive airflow. Now connect one side of red capsitor into bridge rectifier one leg. To wire for AC supply. Connect another leg of red capsitor and another leg of bridge rectifier. This 12 voltage RGB light